Sembut mitrang bak kejelau bak Sniawbhalang dhar welcome bakal air ke Voice of the People's Party ke Kham Hiar bon ha Jaintia his bat ke sedang Hiar ha Khasi his kumju. Ha bekran siklat fai kubor bak Sniawbhalang welcome bak kipai bak ke sedang ban sutu ia ke jingsya ban sutu bakla. Ha kejuk po welcome ru bakal air ukertong ke MP ke NPP Dr. DL Nonglaj ke nang be nang klain bat ukermen ba unra ke thong kum MP na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency keban selong ha kini benai sian.
Yeah, I have seen that especially even in Jaintia they are down very much. Even in Khasi so it's every day is decreasing down from across the Khasi and Jaintia regions. People start realizing MP by election. We are very confident of winning this time with the support of our people. So what to do from the party? We have to work hard. So now I'm very thankful to all the units at different levels in all different constituency. The NPP unit worked very hard. So it seems it is a very positive sign for this coming by-election. For NPP, for NPP, we never decide from the top. We always listen the view and suggestion from all unit from all the 36 constituencies. So they recommend Dr. D. Arnold. We have to accept that. Simple as that.